Look what happened to the pool. Something called awesome algaecide. I'm gonna get this to go ahead and scrub the bottom. Time to add some algaecide. Following day, crystal clear. Y'all, we were on a time away. Look what happened to the pool. It is green. It is green. But there's a way to turn this green water into crystal clear water, and we're gonna go through that process. Now at Walmart, we're gonna get a few things to clean the pool, to turn that green pool to clear water. So let's get into Walmart. We're gonna do a swipe shop with us, and this is all included. Let's see. All right, let's go. In Walmart, I think the pool stuff is in the garden area over there, or close to it. So we'll see. In the pool section, let's see. I know we're gonna need liquid chlorine. So for the liquid chlorine, I'm gonna go ahead and get this Pool Essentials, $3.94 here at Walmart, and put that in there. And we're gonna also need Pool Shop. Here's some Pool Shop by Clorox, extra blue. They don't have the price listed. So I'm like, I'm sure it's not no more than 15 bucks. Oh, that's a pool sprinkler. Cool. Something called awesome algaecide. I'm gonna get this too as well. This Clorox pool. All right, y'all, that should be it to clean that green pool, make it clear. I'm back home. I have the Clorox Pool and Spa Shock Extra Blue. So this is 6-in-1. Kills, prevents algae and algae fighting formula. Kills bacteria, fast dissolving, swim ready in 15 minutes. But with this much of the green in this pool, it's going to be a few hours. Let's open it up. All right. Okay, green baby. Time to be defeated. So what you want to do is start at the deepest end first. And as well, I'm going to put some by the filter here where it's pouring out. Then go all the way around. Just keep going, guys. This is a big pool, and honestly, this bag is supposed to be for 10,000 gallons. This is a 8,000 gallon pool, so I might need 2 bags to make sure this is done properly. There it goes in there. Looks like it's grabbing algae already. And it's bubbling up, as you can see. It's working. Because of how bad the pool is, I'm going to use another half a shock. From my research, they said it's best to use probably 2 in this situation, but I'm going to do half because this is a very powerful shock that Clorox makes. Put some here. Oh, there we go. There it goes. Go ahead and scrub the bottom. I have this brush here. And we're scrubbing the bottom. The purpose of doing this is to get the algae moving off the bottom so the filter can do its job. Plus, with that shock you put down in there, you know, I'm just mixing it up pretty much, making sure it doesn't sit on the bottom. But there I go, brushing it there. Just the really thick green parts, just to get it moving. The filter is going to do its job, and the shock's going to do its job. We just want to move it around, y'all, and that's what I'm doing. This is going to take me a little while, so I'm not going to bore you through my labor, but we'll get to the next part in a sec, a little bit. After you brush the bottom, the water should look murky like this. That means it's all up, it's all coagulating. As you can see, everything is pretty much lifted off the bottom of the pool after I scrubbed it. And again, that's just so the filter can do its job and start working with the shock. And also, I did buy algaecide. Just to let you know a key point here. Do not put in algaecide and pool shock together. Do not. They'll cancel each other out. So first you do the shock, let it do its work, and then you can add the algaecide. But make sure when you add the algaecide, you don't do too much, okay? Also, I'm gonna add some liquid chlorine. It says 16 ounces per 10,000 gallons. I have an 18-ounce cup. I'm just gonna do 18, do a little bit more because of that algae. We wanna go a little bit above what they say. All right, let's go ahead and add the liquid chlorine. And I'm gonna mainly do it by the filter over here, my sand filter. And let it pump out. Pump in, pump out. There we go. It's been 3 hours. The pool is murky, but the green on the bottom. It's already starting to look better after I put in the products that I told you about. So let's see. We're gonna keep it going. I haven't added the algaecide yet. Hey, are you ready to get back in the pool?
Yeah!
By the way, we're a family channel. If you're new here and you enjoy shopping, fun vlogs, I suggest you subscribe and check out the channel. All right, next day tomorrow. I waited a little bit. Time to add some algaecide to it. I'm gonna add a total of 69 ounces of this. I know, good morning. Let's go ahead and add that. Go around the pool. Add a little here. More on this side. There. And there. All right, let the algaecide do its work. And we'll see. It's clearing up pretty good, y'all. It's doing a great job, actually. Yeah. Let's see. Following day, crystal clear. Crystal clear. I know, isn't it? Pool clean. It's so clean. Just except a few bugs on top, but look at that, y'all. Only thing I'm gonna do now is just vacuum the bottom, of course. But other than that, I'll let the pool run overnight, y'all. Of course, I made sure I brushed the sides and I brushed the bottom. That's why you see the little specks down there. And those specks right there, I can just vacuum up. But that's the dead algae, y'all. That's all I had to do. And yeah, after you get this pool clear and beautiful, like the way you want it, there is something you're gonna have to do if you have a sand filter, and there's a couple of steps. You're gonna wanna backwash it. So how you backwash it is, you turn it off, and then you take off this valve. I'll show you. Okay. Then you go to backwash. As you can see, it's starting to come out already. And then once you push backwash, you turn it on, it'll spray out. What this is doing is moving all that sand in your sand filter around so it can clean out all of that algae that it had in there. You want to do this for about 60 seconds to 2 minutes, 1 minute to 2 minutes. Next, you turn it off because you can mess up your filter if you don't turn it back off before you turn it to rinse. Now the rinse is basically to level out all that sand that was moved around in there. Because if you turn the filter on right now, it'll just get a whole bunch of sand in your pool. Turn it on, let it rinse for another minute or until it runs clear. As you can see, there's nothing really in my hand, as in sand, of course. Go ahead and turn it back off. And then you want to move it to filter again. Put the cap back on, of course. And go ahead and start your filter. There it goes. Kendrick, how are you? Say hi. Hi. So you happy your pool's clean? Yeah, you look forward to swimming? Yeah. Cool. Ash, guess what? The pool's clean. It's finally ready. Aren't you excited to go swimming after school? He's getting ready to go to school, y'all. You'll rather eat cafeteria food? Oh, wow. Interesting.
Maybe I'll pack some food.
All right, up to you. Pool is clean, Sean. Aren't you excited? And you usually keep up with the pool, but Daddy had to take your job away, Sean.
Yeah, you always do.
Are you excited to swim now? It was green, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's ready, man.
Did you clean the bugs out?
Yeah.
There were bugs everywhere.
Yeah, I know.